Hi, I'm Derek, and you're watching A Fragrance State of Mind. And I went to Ulta. We're going to check out my fragrance haul and see what we think. Stay tuned. All right, so like I said, I went to Ulta and I got 2 fragrances to check out. These are newer releases, so we'll see what we think of these. This is going to be my unboxing and first impressions of these fragrances. So what I got was Gentleman Society Extreme. Like the box, it comes in the sleeve. Really nice. So we're going to check out that one. And then I also got another bottle. Ooh. What do we have? All right, we have the new Acqua Di Gio Parfum. So which one should we open first? I don't know. Let's start with the Gentleman Society, because I think, yeah, we're going to start with Gentleman Society, and then we'll do the Parfum. This comes in this really nice sleeve, as you can see. It's got a hands on this side, and on this side you've got a fist with some jewelry. And when you open it up, Gentleman Society Parfum, sorry, Gentleman Society Extreme. Now, I am going to open this thing up and take a look at the presentation. Ooh, look at her. All right. So on this side, we've got the Gentleman Givenchy. Let's see if we can get that a little closer. We've got the Gentleman Givenchy logo on this side. And on this side, it is just black. Is it a magnetic cap? Let's see. No magnetic cap, but it's got a nice click to it. Not too bad. Let's see how she smells. Okay, so I am wearing fragrance today, so I'm not going to try either of these on skin. I am going to try them on a tester strip. So we'll see how the atomizer works and see how it smells. Ooh, big release of juice there. I'm going to give that a second. Really nice. Let's look at that again. Wow, that's impressive. I like that. Ooh, in the air, it smells really nice. I like that. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay. Really nice opening. I want to get a little more juice on that, because I wasn't smelling it too much. Okay. I wouldn't say this is a complete departure from Gentleman Society. I think it's really close to the original Gentleman Society. The notes... Oh, what is that? So, off the top, it's very fresh, but also has a nice darkness to it. It's, seems like it would be very versatile. I mean, maybe a cold weather scent, but I really feel like this could be worn anytime. Okay. So the notes I'm picking up in this, off the top, is iris. Total iris. Reminds me of what you would smell in like a Dior Homme Intense. The second note I'm really picking up is coffee. It smells almost like coffee with cream and sugar. Not really like black coffee or roasted coffee, but like if you got a fresh iced coffee or a hot cup of coffee in the morning and you were to put cream and sugar in it. Not really like coffee ice cream, not that sweet coffee, but yeah, almost like a cold brew, like a cream and sugar cold brew. Yeah, I really like this. This is nice. I'm gonna have to wear it a little bit to get my real opinion on it, so I'm not gonna give it a full review today, but it smells really, really nice. I really like this one. So this is a good one. Yeah, that's my first impressions of this bad boy. I really like the presentation. It's got a really nice look to it. Get a little closer to there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wear this to check it out more, see what I think. I'll give it a full review maybe in a week or so. I really like it so far. I wouldn't say it's super extreme, like strong, like kick you in the face, but you know, you'd probably get a decent projection from it, decent longevity. But I don't know. I haven't worn it yet, so I have no idea. But yeah, I think it would be about average. Seems like it would be about average. I wouldn't call it a monster. I wouldn't call it extreme, if that makes sense. But it's really nice. Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, this is good. On to the next. Okay, the next one we're going to be trying is Acqua Di Gio Parfum. Oh, Parfum apparently is Profumo repackaged. Now, I've seen a couple reviews on this, and some people say it's slightly different. It could be because their bottles are just really old and maybe have macerated a lot. So I am going to smell it. I remember Profumo pretty well, but it's been a while since I've smelled it. So it's kind of going to be like a first impression for me, I think. And I'm excited. I'm definitely excited on this bad boy. Let's see what the presentation looks like. Now, the bottle that I've seen online is a black and white clear gradient. The one I saw at the store was clear white. So I don't know what I'm getting. So we'll see what we open and see what it looks like. But for some reason, the one at Ulta was clear. So nope, this is black and clear gradient. Okay. There you go. In the back of the bottle. And already it's picking up fingerprints on the black. So very beautiful bottle though. It says Acqua Di Gio Giorgio Armani, and on the bottom it says Parfum. You can see that. Once again, no magnetic cap, but feels a little chintzy. Oh. Not in love with that. All right, so I have my Profondo here. If I'm not mistaken. No, this doesn't have a magnetic cap either. Okay. So I'm seeing some consistency in the bottles. But for this price point, I would have assumed it had a magnetic cap. I've heard the sprayer's not great on this either, so we're going to see what we think of the sprayer. But let's see. Not bad. Not bad. I almost always go right to the thing. So what I've heard is that this is a refillable bottle, which is nice. Ooh, hold on. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's nice. I'm super picking up Acqua Di Gio, but with a greenness to it. It's very green. Wow. Very fresh, very bright. I would say greener than what I remember the Profumo smelling like. But she's in there. She is in there, I'm telling you. That beautiful, fresh, oceanic. Oh, I like this. This is going to be one of my top summer frags, I can tell. Oh, she's nice. She's salty, slightly salty, oceanic, really green. Slight, I almost want to say woodiness to it. Oh, she's nice. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one. Once again, I'm going to have to give it a wear to see what the longevity looks like for it. But if it was anything like Profumo, she's going to be good. I really like it. This is so nice. And this bottle is beautiful. This bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. Yeah. I'm going to have to give this a wear. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, I missed you, baby. Oh, I missed you. I really like it. Anyway, so that was my first impressions of these bottles. I really like these. These are 2024 is turning out to be great. I love it. If you've tried these or you want to try these, leave in the comments below your thoughts of how they smelled. Have you smelled them in the store? Have you picked them up? Definitely let me know. Please Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great content. I've been uploading shorts. I've been uploading long form videos. I'm also on TikTok at A Fragrant State of Mind, so definitely check me out there. I post other content as well on TikTok, so if you're interested, go there and check me out. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and as always, have a fragrant state of mind.